Hey guys, welcome to Connor's Corner. Now play. Come on. Yes. Today we're gonna make Halloween slime. Let's go. Okay, now it's start. Oh my gosh. Watch me on this. Dude. Can someone get a towel? Alright. Get this. Dude, I didn't know that. But still enough. Whoa, that. Yeah, now it's activate the glitter. And now we're going to get the glitter. Now can I do it? So, black. I'm actually doing all of it.
What color is that?
Orange. Go. Yes. Now what's next? An activator?
Nope, mix it.
Oh, mix now. It's time. Mix. Now can we pour in the activator? Now can we pour in the activator? Yay! Now we just gotta wait or spin around again. I'm gonna hit 100 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. What goes after? 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. And we're going to 56, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. I just said 3.
Okay, good job, buddy.
Whoa. I'm going to count to 20. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm actually going to hold it now. Ooh, we can make it's stuck to both. Yes. Look at my slime. Daddy, feel my slime.
Oh, nasty.
No, it's not. And that's our make Halloween slime. Thank you for watching my slime. Thank you for subscribing to Connor's Corner. See you next time. Bye. With a rose.